Hey guys, so I don't know what is wrong with this lens, but I feel like it's not stable, or it's not clear. Anyway, so today's the first day of school on campus, basically. We're doing good so far. I got myself a new book, a bigger book, because I had like a little book and I was like, I'm gonna use this book for everything. But it makes more sense to have a big one so I can like write more notes, and my plan for this year is basically to be more focused during lectures. I'm a very absent-minded person generally, so let's see how it goes basically. The plan for today is to attend the class. After classes I will work on I need to make a plan basically for all the subjects for this term, and when I have exams, when I have to study, and how difficult it is. I need to also find the books that I need. I haven't gotten into that yet. After that I need to edit the video. Maybe I'll edit the video before doing the schoolwork so I can upload it while I'm doing the schoolwork. It really depends what I decide to do. But that's the plan. I sent a message to Emma and I was like, are you gonna come to school today? And she is. So hopefully I will have someone to talk to. That sounded so sad. It isn't that sad. I'm a bit sick. Not a bit. I have a cold. Congratulate me if you can. I bought my first cold medicine today. I don't know why you don't think about stuff like this, especially when you get older and you live alone. But I remember as a kid where like our grandma used to give us like cough medicine, you know, in the spoon to swallow. Why didn't I ever think of that? Doesn't make sense. Anyway, yeah. Maybe I'm crazy to be excited to study, but I'm actually ready. The result for the exam we had in December comes out next week, Wednesday, so that's gonna be a challenge. I already told myself that if I get a D, I'm gonna take the exam again, but if not, then I'll be cool. So all I want is a C, nothing more, nothing less. An F, Jesus, or an E, I'll cry. Guys, we just had the first 45 minutes.
We're gonna die. Worst subject yet.
Yes, I need to read. It's like she keeps explaining, but then even the explanations, I'm like, what? Damn.
Not to be mean, but she talks like a robot.
I think it's better than the Danish teacher, at least. It's a good tempo, you know, it's slow, you have time to write and to understand and to think. This is basically like I don't know what to call it, but the books and the chapters I'm supposed to read for today, or that have to do with what we're studying today.
What day are Friday?
To the dog, yeah.
Oh my days.
Yes. So, yay us. Yeah, guys. Back to studying, I guess.
A few moments later.
Guys, yeah. Emma is laughing at me, but don't worry. The first 45 minutes, I was like, yeah, I'm proud of myself, blah, blah, blah. After the break, as she spoke for about 15 minutes, I swear to God, my eyes were going, choo, 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 choo. And I was like, maybe if I just do this, pull my head back a little bit, it will be fine. But no, the sleep took over, so I had to take off my glasses and sleep, basically. But I only slept for about 10 minutes.
No, you didn't.
Yes, no?
Because you slept through the 15-minute break, and then you also slept like
Really?
20 minutes after that.
25, 30 minutes. And I woke up, I couldn't see. Like, it was so blurry, and I started thinking, please don't tell me I pressed my eyes so hard that I'm basically becoming blind. And I had to Google that stuff. Don't trust Google. It started saying diabetes, you know, low blood sugar, because I'm like, maybe it's low blood sugar. I ate an apple, but it's like, yeah, signs of diabetes, you know, low blood sugar, fatigue, you're tired, and I'm like, I need to sleep more, and I need to eat some sugar. I don't have sugar at home. I know, it's crazy. I need to eat more sugary stuff than I guess. But you know what? I'm gonna continue reading the rest of her presentation tomorrow, okay? I can't concentrate. It's not working. It's so slow, and 4 hours. 4 hours. It's a long time.
Yeah, but luckily it's only 2 times a week.
Yeah, but it's heavy stuff, so we need to read.
Yeah.
So instead, I'm gonna start editing a video. Jesus. I didn't take you guys for a little trip, but I went outside to get some fresh air. It helped.
Only 45 minutes left.
Amen. I'm still gonna edit though, cause it's complicated for me to just get into the studies now, or should I not? I'll do a better job next time.
You always say that.
I'll bring food and water, and I'll be ready for all circumstances. But for today, I need to edit this video, okay? I'm sorry. I'm gonna read. Tomorrow there's no school, so I'm gonna have time to read and study.
Yay! Friday!
Yay!
Din träningsvideo du ska editera.
School is over, guys.
That was how the last hour. I was literally playing Candy Crush. Bye!
Yeah, we tried our best today. Next time.
This is a big day, guys.
When the books cost more than your fucking weekly salary.
149.
They made bundles of like the books, sold out. Because everyone came to buy books after class today. I think it was difficult for us all. Okay guys, I thought I was gonna finish editing the video at about 8:30 p.m. but I finished at 7 p.m. So I'm gonna go to the gym so I can come back home and, you know, do my makeup and get ready before work. This is the outfit. It's from the 𝗷𝗡𝗏 collection. It holds so tight. I love it. I need to get myself some new gym clothes, but that's what I always say. But now that I've started going to the gym, it really makes more sense for me to get new gym clothes, you know, because I'm putting in the work. But it says it takes, I don't know where I heard this or where I read this, but it says it takes 2 weeks to make a habit. So if I can do this for 2 weeks, I'll be good. Another day, another gym session.
Beneath you, like a yoga mat or even a soft rug.
Guys, I am so sick and so tired, but I have to do workout number 6 for this week, and it's 10:30. I'll just wait till 11. I'm challenging myself to do some kind of exercise, like a workout, 6 days a week. I wasn't able to do it on Saturday, so I just called Saturday to be like the rest day. So Sunday today I need to get my stuff together. Good morning, guys. Oh my god. It's 12 p.m, which means I've been sleeping all day basically, or half the day. I'm not even bothered about it because I felt like I needed the sleep. But last night I did plan to attend lectures today and, you know, come home at 10 a.m. and, like, you know, make breakfast and clean, stuff like that. And 12 p.m. was when I was supposed to hit the gym. But plans have been shifted, obviously. I was up till 2 a.m. last night. I couldn't sleep, so I kept just like moving around and then trying to think about something that would put me to sleep, but I couldn't go to sleep. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna sacrifice school this morning and just sleep. And I'll start again tomorrow. But yeah, since I woke up at 12 o'clock, I have a lot to do. Luckily, I have energy. I did eat a lot last night before going to bed. So I think I'll just start by cleaning the apartment. My apartment is a mess, guys. I don't know what is happening to me. Okay, I do know what's happening to me. I've been very tired. I've been very tired lately. Like, I need to do the dishes. I did do some of the dishes, but I need to do that. I need to fold this clothes. I don't know how long it's been here at this point. The living room is just scattered, guys. It's not like it's dirty, it's just scattered. I've vacuumed, I've cleaned the floor, everything, but I don't know. And you guys already know the bathroom is the worst, as always. I keep doing this to myself. And I don't know why. That's my morning voice. I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but I'd rather go to bed when it's very hot than go to bed and be freezing, you know. But then the problem is, when I do turn on the heater, I go to bed, it's so hot, you basically sweat the night out. But I need to find like a middle ground, something in the middle, like how many degrees is a good amount to go to bed with, without being scared that you're gonna like get fried, or you know. I did wake up this morning at 7 a.m. but then I was like, I closed my eyes for a little bit, boom, it's 8 a.m. I'm like, I won't make it. Class starts in half an hour. I don't have the energy to start hurrying up and running there, and it's just like a 2-hour lecture. It didn't make sense to me, so I was like, F it. Also, I am very behind on the editing. Normally I would sacrifice a lot if not everything to edit the video, but this week I've really been giving myself some time to just breathe, I would say, like just time off. Like I said, normally I would just go for it, no sleep, you know, prioritize editing the video because the video would have to be out at a certain time or date, set by me, of course. But lately I've just been so I need to get back on my grind when it comes to editing. I feel like I haven't been as strict with my weekly plan this week. I've had a lot of leisure time, you know, hung out with friends. Normally I'll be like, you know what, I have stuff to do, so we'll hang out later. But I guess I'm becoming a better person or whatever. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get into the cleaning, innit? Yeah.
Pay for the Airbnb. Pay for my tickets. Go. We are about to fuck it up in Portimao, yes. Portugal. Afro Nation's not ready.
I'm gonna be broke by the time we come back. Just saying. So don't invite me to any parties or
don't
any
ask me to go out,
because I can't. I can't
afford it.
Yeah.
I can't afford it. The only place I can afford to go to is the line in Gamla. That's I can afford to stand.
That was the first time. I'll just pay the entrance fee, but I'll go home after.
Exactly. I can pay the entrance fee, and then I can dance, but I can't drink.
Oh my god.
I feel like it's kind of weird for me that we're doing like Afro Nation as 20-year-olds and we're not like
balling.
No. Like I feel like we are balling.
Yeah.
And I feel like that's weird because like we're 20, Megan.
That's true.
We're young.
But times have changed though.
Exactly.
We work hard, bro.
We earned this. Why the fuck am I even starting this? We earned this shit.
That's true.
If we want to buy the golden ticket, why can't we just buy the fucking golden ticket without feeling guilty?
But yeah, I want to go to Spain, but I don't think it's smart for me to travel in February when I've already booked a flight for April, and I'm gonna be going to Portugal in June, so I need to save some money at some point. Okay guys, so I did a 45 minutes workout. I didn't use all the equipment that I wanted to use, but the question is, why are people using one thing for like 52 sets? Like there's other people at the gym. I'm also trying to fucking get my glutes gluted, but yeah, it closes in about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna shower, go to the sauna for a little bit, and then get ready and go home. I've been listening to the Pressed podcast by 𝗔𝗹𝗯𝗵𝘁'𝘀 and Maria Musa and Nella, but Nella hasn't been there for a bit, and it's just so funny. And you know when you listen to something and you can relate, or you're like, I would have said that. That's how I feel about them. So maybe I'm gonna call in one day and be like, yeah, this thing got me pressed, but we'll see. So I definitely recommend you guys, if you watch podcasts, to check out the Press podcast. Really. And how do I look in this workout thing? I'm so goofy for my own good. Okay, it's 21:43. I'm gonna go get ready and use the sauna, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Guys, I've been behind on editing videos, and I didn't stick to the plan I made for myself when it comes to uploading videos. 4 videos a week. Last week, like I said, I was slow on editing. I prioritized other things, but every time I sit down to edit, I just get reminded of why I love making videos for you guys so much, because it's just a vibe. Not only like putting the videos together or putting the clips together, but like seeing what I did like for the past week or yesterday or with friends, and it's just like, I feel like they're just moments that you don't catch when you're there, but like after, I'm just like, oh my god, we did actually have fun though, or like that was so fun, or like just look at how happy I was in that moment. So thank you to everyone who is subscribed. It really means a lot to me. It really boosts my motivation, to be honest, because now I feel like I'm recording and filming and editing and using all this time to create content for people who want to watch it, you know, because it's like basically having a child that does all the work in the house and you never tell the child they're doing a good job, you know, kind of thing. That was a bit extreme, but yeah. So I just got home about 20 minutes ago. I'm still with my jacket on. I don't know why I always do this to myself, sit down with my jacket on. But I really want to finish editing this video that I filmed last Monday, so it's been a week, so I can get other things done basically. So yeah, very proud of myself right now. Also, one thing that I've been doing is, because I have a habit of like taking things off and just keeping them where they are, but like I'm practicing like taking off my jacket, like going to the closet, hanging the jacket on a hanger and leaving it there, like basically putting things where they're supposed to be from the get-go, you know. So I'm gonna go hang my jacket now, guys. Wow, proud of you, mates. Also, am I the only one that feels like when you sit down to get something done, I get distracted sometimes, and I just let the distractions distract me. And I just like don't do what I plan to do. So yeah, I'm working on my discipline. Trying to stick to the goals, stick to the project, stick to the plan. No matter what happens, everything can wait. I feel like the plans I make for myself are very important, and they should come first. But sometimes you're just like, it does sound good to go out and get a drink though. But anyway, guys, let's focus on editing this video so we can do other things. I love you guys.